First at 4:30, a Washington woman who was raised in Hawaii will make her case to an immigration court judge tomorrow to keep from being deported.
This after border officials detained her for violating the terms of her green card. Our Annalisa Burgos joins us with how her case is sparking a larger movement. Annalisa.
Lewelyn Dixon immigrated from the Philippines to Hawaii 50 years ago and has a green card, meaning she's a Filipino citizen with lawful permanent residency in the U.S. But it doesn't exempt people from detention and deportation, something that caught her and her family by surprise. Lewelyn Dixon's family says it's been a stressful 3 months for their Auntie Lynn.
We were told that weekly check-ins and updates on her court proceedings would be provided, but unfortunately, this commitment was not fulfilled. We felt abandoned and forgotten.
In March, Dixon was flagged by border officials when she returned home to Seattle from a family trip to the Philippines. She's been in a detention center waiting for an immigration court hearing. Dixon's family hired an attorney who said she was detained due to a 2001 embezzlement conviction that the family did not know about. Though it had been resolved, it remained in Dixon's record as a violation of the terms of her green card.
She has been in distress trying to figure out what to say to the judge and how to explain why she deserves to stay in America, the only home she's truly known since she was a child. The pressure is immense. It feels like everything is riding on tomorrow.
In a statement, the U.S. Customs and Border Protection says, quote, lawful permanent residency for foreign citizens in the United States is a privilege, and those convicted of offenses considered to be crimes involving moral turpitude, and including aggravated felonies, can legally lose their status and be removed. That includes domestic violence, traffic violations, theft, and drug offenses. CBP says it processes 1.2 million travelers each day. A criminal record, no matter how old or minor, is cause for detention. Philippine government officials say they are supporting overseas Filipinos regardless of status. Immigrant advocates say detainees need more help navigating the U.S. legal system, accessing medical care, and fighting what they call unjust deportations.
Majority of these people are just everyday working people like you and I. Things like green cards and visas should be at least some guard against these kinds of arrests. But we knew that just with Trump's immigration policies, really no one was safe.
Dixon's family hopes to see a more effective and compassionate support system for Filipinos in distress.
It is vital that detainees have hope in a sense that they are not alone. Knowing that a community and the Philippine government are fighting for them is a tremendous impact on their moral and ability to face this difficult situation. This support can be the difference between giving up and fighting for their right to stay in a place they call home. This is not just about Auntie Lynn. It's about protecting all Filipino nationals who are vulnerable to this system.
And Dixon's hearing is scheduled at 10:30 a.m. Hawaii time tomorrow. A judge could rule that she retain her lawful status or she'll be removed and deported. Annalisa Burgos, Hawaii News Now.
Annalisa, thank you.